Welcome to our lesson on Microsoft Word. Today we will explore some of its essential and advanced features. Let's dive in.
Today, we're going to learn about Microsoft Word. Who can tell me what Microsoft Word is used for?
It's for writing documents, right?
Exactly. But it can do so much more. Let's start with some basic tools. We'll begin with styles.
Styles in Microsoft Word allow you to apply a set of formatting instructions consistently throughout your document.
Open Microsoft Word and create a new document. Type a few paragraphs of text, highlight a sentence or a paragraph. Go to the Home tab and look at the Styles group. Try applying different styles like heading 1, heading 2, and normal. Styles can change the look of your text quickly and keep your document looking professional. Now let's move on to themes.
Themes in Word allow you to change the overall design of your document, including fonts, colors, and effects.
With the same document, navigate to the Design tab. Browse through the themes gallery and hover over different themes to preview them. Click on a theme to apply it. Notice how it changes the fonts and colors throughout the document. Now let's talk about templates.
Templates provide a pre formatted document structure for various types of documents like resumes, newsletters, and reports.
Create a new document. Go to File, New, and explore the template gallery. Choose one that suits your needs and customize it with your own content. This can save you a lot of time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring these features, and you'll become a Microsoft Word expert in no time.